Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Alerts template and explore its contents. To install Alerts, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide up-to-the-minute information to help minimize the impact of an emergency, crisis, or pressing matter. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate the alert model. This model contains properties for alert data like title, body, and display from and to. Two workflows have already been configured for this model. One to send a reminder to the alert owner 3 days before the expiration date to refresh the content, and another to auto-retire expired alert content the day after the display to date. The template adds an alerts page. You can access it by heading to the Pages section from Admin Home. Select About to open the About Alerts page in a modal window. And select Write New to open the Edit Alert page in a modal window. Here you can create new alerts. In this example, we have added an alert for inclement weather. When you select an item, the alert preview page will open in a modal window. Using the edit action, you can make any necessary changes, or even delete the alert altogether. This template also installs an alerts search object, which you can find in the search section, accessible from Admin Home. It also adds an alerts filter to the search results page. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.